how to add and use equalization effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity and then select your audio that you want to add the equalization to, and then go here on effect and go down. You will find this equalization effect. If you didn't find it, all what you have to do is download an old version of Audacity, and I recommend you to download the 2.2.2 version, and after you download it you will find this equalization effect. Click on it, and here you have many options to manage. As you can see, you can manage a lot of things by clicking just here or here on the curve. Choose any option that you want from here. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and see you in the next video.